Hey, what's up guys? This is the Honda Passport 2019 model American flag decal install. It's a pre-cut shape. There's no trimming required at all with this flag. So it comes exactly to the shape of the window. So it's in matte black. We're gonna start peeling it off right now. Here, hold on. Hey. Squeeze it. Always make sure to squeeze it first. Yeah guys, it's cold outside. Alright. He's gonna start peeling it off right now. No, there is no trimming required in this flag at all. You just peel it carefully so there's no air bubbles. Our vinyl is made of 3M, so there is no need, not no need, but there it's guaranteed no bubbles will form in between the vinyl if you install it correctly. Make some last touches up.